This is a short instruction video teaching you to measure the moment of learning. You can record, track, chart, and share data detailing the moment of independent discrimination between two choices. You can do all this using our Stimulus app. First, we press the icon and we tap the screen to start our trials. We already have some presets set up. We're going to start with our Touchette preset. This is based off a study from 1971 by Paul E. Touchette. We're going to teach someone to discriminate the correct response between two rotated E shapes. The downward facing E is the correct response, and it is highlighted with the red color, and that's the prompt. So initially, the correct response is prompted immediately. We've touched the correct response. So that's trial 1. Trial 2, the prompt is delayed by half a second. Trial 3, the prompt is delayed by a second. For each independent response, the prompt is delayed by a half a second. This is called prompt fading. So the prompt is going to continue to be delayed for each independent response. The moment of learning occurs when the individual touches the correct response prior to any kind of prompt. You can see at this point, this person is still prompt dependent. This next trial, you will see that the screen will go blank before any prompt. The individual has now transferred stimulus control to the shape rather than the prompt. So the E is now controlling the person's response rather than the prompt. So here's our data for all the trials. And here's a graph of our data. You can see that all the responses are in black and the prompt is in red. Trial 8 shows that the response was picked before the prompt. So we can share all this. We can email all this data to ourselves, a colleague, a professor. You can also airdrop it to another iPhone, iPad user. You can export it to Excel so you can graph it whichever way you want. And this is a short instruction video on how to measure the moment of learning using the Stimulus app. Thanks.